You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this abbreviation, let's call it. If you want to learn more names from F1, stay tuned. It's said simply as F1. It stands for, the full form of F1 is pronounced as formula for mu, not for mu, formula, with a stress on the first syllable, F1, or how to pronounce Formula 1. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.